Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we are at a classic car show. This is one of the last ones of the season now. It's pretty brisk this morning. It's about 5 degrees. So yeah, we're at Wynyard Hall. Absolutely stunning here. So let's go and have a look at some really nice cars. There's quite a few cars here today. So let's check it out. Nice Wolseley here. It's Rolls Royce. And check the Volvo out, guys. It's a nice gold. That's nice. So yeah, can you believe it? October already. James Bond here. Cortina, 2-door. Said my granddad used to have one of them. It's called gear. So I'm just going to walk you through all that. And then we've got the Triumph Stags. Let's go around these quickly now. I can't believe this is one of the last shows of the year. This is quite a good turnout as well. God, it's bloody card. Ooh, look at that Triumph Stag. Right, where was I? Nice couple of chaps I've just been talking to. Right. Now we've got the Morgans, all three of them in a line. It is a good turnout. I can't believe how cold it is. VW there. That's quite cool. Convertible Lotus Cortina. You don't see many of them. That's killer cool. That's pretty nice.
In those cars, the usual one.
Starsky Notch here. That's pretty cool. Torino.
Yeah.
Billy used to have a blue one of these.
They're pretty cool. So if you've never been to the northeast, guys, and you're from down south or further up north, get yourselves down here. It's nice. It's nice as well. Check that out. That's killer cool. That's an Elvis. Cool. He's just popping out in his Ford Pop. Yeah, you see these guys at all the classic car shows around here. Cool. That's a nice 1.1L Fiesta. Nice, Nick. I should say we're going to go all around cars. You don't see many of these. This is a Morris 8. I thought that looked really cool.
Oi!
BWGDI. Sports hatch. stag's really nice as well. Three is a Mark 1 as well. That's really nice. Take the GB stick off though. That's a nice colour. El Capri. Two of them together. Saw that come in, that's quite cool. I've seen it. 2.8 injection. Ford Zephyr. That's nice. Really like that. XJ 4.2C. They're cool. Illuminate. That's pretty cool. That's a super imp.
Lovely colour, holding this white XJ. And I would say James, who
40Z.
Where we've got put through the workshops and do this. Anyway, and I am here just to see if
There's a Fiat 131 Mirafioroni. That was my first ever car. And when I pulled the carpet back, the floor came up with it. That's a 132, mine was a 131. Right, it's a beautiful day here, but very brisk. Plenty of cars out here today, so yeah, ladies and gents out there, if you're thinking about what am I going to do on a weekend, get yourself a classic car. It's a really good community. I know I keep going on about it, but it really is. So my next video, you're going to have to watch this next video, guys and girls. I'm hoping I'm going to be picking my next vehicle up next week, hopefully. I'm just waiting for the number plates to come through now, and it's all in the DVLA's hands, you know what they're like. So yeah, anyway, on that note, see you to bugger.